Guys, I don't know what's going on today. Like, all my jewelries, literally all my jewelries, everything has just been going bad. Yesterday, my bracelet caught. The other day, I misplaced my bracelet on my way when I was traveling. Today, now, my necklace just caught. I'm just so pissed. Like, everything is just pissing me off. Hi guys, what's up and welcome to a new vlog. So guys, I just got in and I'm starting out the new vlog. If you're new here, I traveled and I'm sure that my travel vlog must be up by now, so go watch it before you continue watching this vlog. Anyways, or watch this vlog and then go back and watch it. Guys, I'm back, and then I remember this thing on my wall that I showed you guys in one of my vlogs about, how the battery from the clock burst and it stained the wall. So there's this handyman that usually help me do stuff or run around for me, like certain things that I don't know where to get them. He usually helps me out, and I told him to come in today because he has a wife and he has like some people that stay with him, and you guys know I've been decluttering. So I called him to come today and pick up some of the things like shoes, bags, clothes, sunglasses, all those stuff, perfumes that I no longer really use anymore or have stayed in my wardrobe for months and I never wear them. Actually, I was supposed to give them to somebody, but when I just came in today, everywhere was just looking very clustered to me and I don't like it. So I just told him to come and pick it up, like just come and carry everything. So he took them, but before he left, he tried to help me clean this stuff and it didn't work. He got some substances to clean it. It didn't work, and we resulted that I would need to repaint this part of the walls. I don't know if it's going to match the remaining part of the house, so I don't even know what to do. This thing just makes me weak and I really want to fix that because I know that my landlady is going to come very soon, because right now she's being very troublesome. Not like it's my fault. The battery got expired. I didn't even think of removing it because I don't even look at the clock. I just use the clock on my phone, so I didn't take it seriously and then it burst. Guys, long story short, let me start unpacking, guys. I don't think I have anything planned out for this week. I need to go grocery shopping as well. My house is super dry. There's nothing in this house. This house is empty right now. So if you ask me what I'm going to eat, I don't know. So when my friend Mimi was around some months back, she got this gossip wine and it was so good. I've had gossip wine one time in Cebu, but I didn't really feel it. Like they were just overhyping the thing that day. But when she bought it that day, I drank it and I really liked it. So when I went to Tagatai, I came across it when we went grocery shopping and I picked it up. But at the end of the day, we didn't drink it, so I just brought it back home. And then I grabbed a bag of beans. Woo! So basically, this is like one of their best sellers. Is bread, like raisin bread. So I saw banana bread there, but my problem was banana bread where they put sesame seed. It was not making sense to me. It's really nice plantain chips on there and it was really good. So this is raisin bread. I decided to try it out. Guys, so good. Do you know agege bread? Tastes like agege bread. I swear to God. I'm going to probably make akara or have it with custard. This bread. So why is there no bag of beans in Manila? Why is this restaurant not anywhere in Manila? I'm waiting for them. Anyways, I need to start unpacking. I need to arrange my apartment. It looks a hot mess, and I'll talk to you guys later. We're in my kitchen and I just want to talk to you guys. So it's been a couple days, guys. It's been like 4 days. It's Thursday today. I haven't gone grocery shopping yet. I have been buying food for the past how many days, and guys, trust me, not cute, especially in Manila where you want to buy food, it looks good, and by the time the food comes, it's tasteless, you don't like it. I just hate that experience, and their food here is quite pricey. I got some groceries from the market because what I buy from the market, I don't buy in the mall, and I go grocery shopping once every month, so I buy wet ingredients or some perishable things from the market, and I buy the remaining stuff from the mall because that's just some things that you cannot buy in the market. I don't know if you guys get me, like cornflakes or those, breakfast kind of things. I'm not even a breakfast person, guys. Do you know that I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, wash my vagina, and drink water, and I have this mixture I take every morning, apple cider vinegar and stuff. So when I do that in the morning, that's it. I don't eat in the morning. Before I eat is like 3 p.m., 4 p.m. That's very weird. I just get to do whatever I want to do and then I eat much later. Anyway, subscribe to my channel if you're not, guys. I'm very angry at YouTube and the algorithm. Some of the stuff that I got. Did I go to market? No, baby. I didn't go to the market. This is meat, chicken, gizzard, beef. That's all that's in there. Here there's plantain, there's green chilies, red chilies, called their perfect combo. I've got fresh tomatoes here. I've got lots of red bell peppers because we're gonna make some jollof. I've got green peppers as well. I've got bell peppers, I've got onion here, some sweet potatoes. I go groceries and I'll buy rice and some other stuff. This is basically what I usually get from the wet market, farmers market. I don't like to go to the market, to be honest. It's not my favorite thing to do, so I just have a means of getting these things. Guys, please tell me, am I the only one that just randomly start looking for pegs? Like I had like a whole pack of this thing, about 12 or 13 of them, I'm sure. All of a sudden it has disappeared. Now I just have 2 left in my house, which is very impossible. I don't know where the rest are. They just go missing anyhow. So weird. Hi guys, so I finally did my lashes. I didn't do it the last time I told you guys I was going to do my lashes, but yeah, I finally got it done. And I know the hair would supposed to wait 3 to 4 hours before water touches the lashes, but I'm in a rush because your girl has a romantic date night. Hi guys, so I'm ready. Of course you guys are hearing the aircon noise, but yeah, this is how I look. The hair is from the Modern Woman Hair on Instagram. I look like money. I smell like money, although I've not used perfumes yet, but you guys know that I have like all those fragrance stuff that I use on special days, so I'm wearing one of those. My outfit, both the top and the pants, are from Shein. If you guys remember this bag that I unboxed sometime, guys, I'm running out of space. I mean, my shoes were gifted to me by Debbie Ayanga here on YouTube. I've worn these shoes a couple times, but I haven't really showed you guys when I wear them. It's so gorgeous. It has like this type of stuff. You have been asking me on Instagram, oh, how do you wear off-shoulder dresses without your bra hands showing, all of this stuff? And you know, I have really large boobs. Just do your research, baby. Send me a DM on Instagram and I'll tell you how I go about it. But me doing a video on how I wear stuff like this, it might never happen. You guys, can we talk about my makeup? Like, I literally beat my face. Finito. Like, nothing is left unturned. Like, can you see?
You're so amazing, girl, I picture you so perfect in me. I'm gonna write the pistols, no, not the pistols. I mean, your attributes and the way your body moves. Maybe an article, posing it up like I'm script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh.